We all crave that healthy glow, both inside and out. It's no secret that good food is like a gift to your body, and what better present than a vibrant glass of carrot and orange juice? This isn't just any juice, it's packed with vitamins and antioxidants. This simple drink is like a mini health revolution in a glass. It's time to ditch the processed stuff and embrace the natural goodness of fruits and veggies. This juice is not just about feeling great, it's about looking fantastic too. The vitamins and antioxidants work wonders for your skin. They help clear blemishes and give you that radiant look we all dream of. And the best part, it tastes amazing. So many store-bought juices are loaded with sugar and preservatives. Making your own means you know exactly what's going into your body. You control the quality and freshness of the ingredients. Plus, it's super easy to make. This isn't just a drink, it's a delicious way to invest in your health and well-being. Get ready to glow from within. Let's talk about the stars of our juice, the incredible ingredients that make it so special. First up, we have carrots. These orange wonders are packed with beta-carotene, which your body cleverly turns into vitamin A. Vitamin A is a superhero for your skin, helping to repair damage and protect it from those pesky sun rays. And that's not all. Carrots also help strengthen your hair and nails. Next, we have the zesty oranges. Bursting with vitamin C, oranges are like a shield against those nasty free radicals that can damage your skin. They also give your immune system a boost, keeping you healthy and energized. Oranges are a natural mood booster, adding a splash of sunshine to your day. Now let's not forget the ginger. This little root adds a kick of flavor and is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger can help soothe your stomach and even reduce muscle soreness. It's a true all-rounder. Last but not least, we have turmeric. This golden spice is a true powerhouse of antioxidants. Turmeric can help reduce inflammation, brighten your skin, and even boost your brain function. It's like a golden ticket to a healthier you. Ready to get juicing? It's super easy and fun. Here's what you'll need: 4 large carrots, 4 juicy oranges, a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, or a small piece of fresh turmeric root, and water, optional, for desired consistency. Instructions. First, give those carrots and ginger a good scrub. You can peel them if you like, but it's not absolutely necessary. Next, peel the oranges and separate them into segments. Now for the fun part. If you have a juicer, simply feed the carrots, oranges and ginger through it. If not, no worries. Chop them into smaller pieces and whiz them up in a blender. Once everything is nicely blended, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth. This will give you a smoother, more enjoyable juice. And there you have it, your very own sunshine elixir. It's best enjoyed fresh, so pour yourself a glass and savor the deliciousness. Section 4. Savoring the Goodness. This juice is best enjoyed fresh, so pour yourself a glass and relish the taste of sunshine. It's perfect for breakfast, a midday pick-me-up, or even a post-workout refresher. Now, some folks prefer their juice on the sweeter side. If that's you, feel free to add a drizzle of honey or a few drops of stevia. You can also experiment with other natural sweeteners like maple syrup or agave nectar. For an extra chill, try adding a handful of ice cubes or even freezing the juice into popsicles for a fun and healthy treat. Get creative and make it your own. Remember, this juice is best enjoyed fresh, so try to drink it within a day or two for maximum flavor and nutritional benefits. Section 5. Embrace the vibrant you. So there you have it, a simple and delicious recipe for a healthier, more radiant you. It's time to ditch those sugary store-bought drinks and embrace the goodness of homemade carrot and orange juice. Why not give this recipe a go and see the difference for yourself? I promise you won't be disappointed. And hey, while you're at it, why not snap a pic of your glowing self and share it with the world? Let's inspire each other to live healthier, happier lives. Remember, good health is a journey, not a destination. So grab those carrots and oranges and let's get juicing.